We're teaching a new movement every day for 12 days. It's our little gift to you to help keep you saner and also moving better throughout the holidays. Have fun with it and don't forget to enter for daily prizes and the biggest grand prize we've ever given away. And remember, this isn't about mastering the movement or trying to do it perfectly. It's all about exploring what your body's capable of at the current level you're at right now. So take it easy, make sure to breathe, and have fun with it. Let's get into it. Oh, for today, we'll get right into it. Main thing I want you to focus on is going into this squat position for every single movement. Now, this is gonna help with the hip flexors as well as ankle flexibility. Chris is first gonna start off showing us the first variation. The hands go to the ground, to the side, and you will hop your feet over, landing in that squat. One more time for me, please. Arms are straight, pushing down and through the ground as he goes into the squat. Return the same way, the opposite way. He's gonna place his hands down on the ground, hop his hips over, ending in the squat. One more for me, please. That's our first variation. Second variation, very similar to the first, however, Chris is gonna keep his toes on the ground and pull them across. Nice and slow, ending in the squat position. One more for me, please. Pushing down and through, sitting as deep as possible into the squat. Go ahead and return for me. Pulling the toes across, one more. Very nice. This time around, a little harder variation. This time you're gonna let the feet come up off of the ground. You're going to float the feet. This is a stall position. Notice how he temporarily stops before he places his feet down on the ground. Push down and through. Make sure that you're using your core to pull the feet across when performing this. Also, don't forget to breathe when performing all of these variations. All right, go give today's move a try. And remember, it's not about doing things perfectly. It's about exploring what your body can do and having some fun.